Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a group video call on Telegram on your PC step by step. Group video calls are a great way to meet with friends, family, or team members directly from your Telegram group. So let's get started. First, open Telegram on your computer and sign into your account. Next, open the group where you want to start the video call. Click on the group name at the top of the chat window to open the group information page. Now, click the video chat or start video chat button. If you're starting a new group call, Telegram will ask you to confirm. Click Start to begin the group video call. Once the call starts, members of the group will receive a notification and can join the call. To turn on your camera, click the camera icon. If prompted, allow Telegram to access your camera and microphone. You can also mute or unmute your microphone by clicking the microphone icon. To invite more participants, click the Invite Members option and select the people you'd like to join. During the call, you can share your screen by clicking the Share Screen button if needed. When you're finished, click the Leave or End Call button to end the group video call. And that's it. You've successfully started a group video call on Telegram on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.